All right, good morning, guys. So I've gotten a whole bunch of emails that basically say the same thing. So I wanted to walk over really quickly kind of how to get from nothing to starting your EduBlog and kind of understanding where all of your lessons are. Lessons 1 through 4 aren't due until the very end of the day on Friday. And all this week is setting up your EduBlog as well as answering your first prompt. So I'm going to show you where all of these things are. Okay, I'm going to open up a brand new uh, internet screen. I'm going to go to Classroom. I have 2 brand new classrooms. I'm going to go to just standard. They both should have the same thing in it. I'm going to scroll past all this stuff. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to go to classwork because that's where I told you to go in the first place. Click on daily agenda. You guys, if you watch my video, it's only 8 minutes and it tells you where to find all of our stuff for this last 8 weeks. If you click on homeschool agenda, this is everything you're going to need for the time being, especially this week. Okay? So, this page right here, here's the counselor classroom code if you need it. Here's our weekly agenda document. My office hours, I went ahead and linked to Google Classroom. If you click on Padlet where it says video directions for assignment and blog, you click on here. This takes you to your Padlet. It has all the information you need. The big thing you need to worry about is this middle column. Lesson 1 walks you through exactly how to create and customize your blog. You are not customizing it to your liking. You are customizing it to the directions that Ms. Schmidt, myself, and Ms. Storman have decided that our blogs need to look like. That's lesson 1. It's about a 10-minute video or so. Lesson 2 is where you create your About Me page. It's pretty simple. Ms. Schmidt has been nice enough to walk us through these particular directions. Lesson 3, you set up your categories and a menu page. And then lesson 4 is where you answer our first blog post, which you can find right here. The week 1 should be 4 to 5 sentences describing what Disney character you relate the most to. Then you're going to give us 3 to 4 sentences describing your spring break. This information is also on our first week of instructions. It's right here. It will be on the right-hand side for each week where it says weekly blog prompt. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. So this is number 1. Next week it'll say 2. I'll link the Wildcat Weekly up there every week as well. I've even linked your EduBlog directions. These are the first little Google slides of how to simply go to edublogs.com. And then this is also the Padlet again. So you have several different places. I gave you my own personal example. This is my blog. This is what yours will look like at the end of the day. You will have a background link and yours will be set up this exact way. Your only theme you use is Oria, O-R-I-A. Ms. Schmidt does a great job, again, in the Padlet, explaining exactly what you need and how to get there. You have to start with the first lesson, then go to the second, third, and then fourth. When you are finished with your blog, you would go up here to My Site. You can click My Sites. I think. Watch this not work. Nope, didn't do it. So if you go to your name, if you're in your dashboard, you go to your name, you click Visit Site. Then you highlight your URL. So your URL should just have whatever you named it, .edublogs.org. There shouldn't be a backslash or anything behind it. And then you simply copy. You can either right-click that and copy it, or you can Command C and then you email me your blog link. Okay? Please make sure that your whole blog is set up before you email me. Otherwise, it looks weird and I'm going to be confused and you're going to be confused. If you have any questions, you can meet me today on, oops, I meant to go here. Sorry, guys. Oh, come on. Oops. Oh, you guys, I'm so sorry. You can meet me today on our daily agenda. What? Where did my link go? Oh, my bad. On my office hours document, I put it as an assignment so you could all edit it. If I put it as material, you wouldn't be able to edit it. I've already had some people ask me some questions, but this is where I will be. If you need more instructions, please, please, please email me. We can set up office hours for Thursday as well. Okay? All right, guys. Have a good day. Good luck.